Hello and welcome back. My name is Sam, this is my student Owen, and today we're going to talk about 7th position or thumb position. It's named thumb position because you're going to use that thumb that you've been putting behind the neck, you're going to bring it around and put it on top of the string. Just like this. Okay? Thumb position starts at the harmonic. The harmonic is when you play the string without pressing it down. Just touch the string and you get about the same tone. This harmonic is exactly 50% of the distance from the bridge to the nut. Okay, so your thumb is going to go right on the knuckle. You can see the callus on my knuckle right here. That part of the knuckle is going to go on the string. It's just going to touch the string. Okay, then each finger is going to go about a half step apart, as you see here. So fairly close together. This is called closed thumb position. These notes are exactly the same notes as half position. So you can actually practice this with the half position long tone exercise to help with your intonation and make sure your fingers are in the right place, as you see here. So they're an octave apart, but the letter names are exactly the same and the tones are ones that are easy to tune to. So we're going to practice this by doing another long tone exercise, doing long tones in thumb position. They're a little bit different than long tones in half position because we're going to play on our thumb as well. So that means there's going to be 4 fingers, 4 notes per string going across and then back. Now if you want to practice with the long tone exercise from half position, you'll have to skip your thumb to do that. But we're going to do a little demonstration of long tones in thumb position. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next finger, 2, 3, 4. Next finger, 1, 2, 3. Next finger. So now you've done 4 fingers. Then we're going to move to the next string. This is the harmonic, so you don't actually have to press down the string. On this finger, the first finger, you'll press down the string, second finger, and then third finger. Okay, and you can stop. We'll number them thumb 1, 2, and 3. So the fingers will have the same numbers as you did when we were playing in the regular positions. From the other end of that, when you get to the last note on the G string, we're going to go backwards. So E flat, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, and so on. All right. So that's thumb position closed thumb position. The next thing we'll talk about is open thumb position. A little bit of music theory has to be explained here to make sense out of open thumb position, the beginning of open thumb position, a little easier. You have to know what a tetrachord is. A tetrachord is 4 notes in consecutive order, and between those notes is the intervals of a whole step, and a half step. A perfect example of that, in fact we're going to play it, on the G string will be a G, an A, a B, and then a C. A G to an A is a whole step, A to B is a whole step, and from B to C is a half step. And that gives us, starting on the G string, our thumb on the harmonic, a whole step to the A, a whole step to the B, and then a half step to the C. And that's about what it sounds like. The same will be true across all 4 strings. You can now do the same long tone exercise across all 4 strings, playing that tetrachord. The challenge here is being able to play it in tune. So when you do your long tone exercise, and this is true for all long tone exercises, and I think I mentioned it on the website, make sure that you use a tuner, because a tuner will help you see when you're either slightly sharp or slightly flat, need to make adjustments, and that will help you develop your grip. And that takes care of open position and thumb position. Thank you very much.